and welcome to our final instructional video to our 7-day countdown to St. Patrick's Day. This video is brought to you by Céilí Nua, and my name is Liana. And today we're going to be working on some choreography using all the steps that you've learned in our previous videos for our 7-day countdown. The first dance we're going to be working on is a reel, and you start off by traveling to your left or clockwise. Have your hands by your side like this. Right foot is pointed out in front of you. You start with a cut. You go cut, and then take a step forward, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3. We just went around halfway of our circle. We're going to continue and complete the circle. Kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3. That last one, we face our audience. Now we're going to go around the other way, going to our right, or now counterclockwise. Starting with your right foot, kicking back, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3. Halfway around, we keep continuing our circle with kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3, face front and stop. Next part, we're going to do our sevens with sets. This was in our previous videos if you want to take a look back at those. Now our right foot is behind. We want to bring it in front with a cut. We do cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, set, 2, 3. Right foot comes behind and switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, set, 2, 3. So for our sevens with sets, we just went to the right and to the left. Next step is our sevens without sets. We ended again with that right foot behind. We bring it in front with our cut, with cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now no sets, so we just switch. Switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In Irish dancing, a common thing that you may notice is when you are traveling to your right foot is usually the one in front. If you're traveling to your left foot is in front. So that can also help you guide which way you're going to be going and which foot to put in front. Now we're going to do the whole choreography from the beginning, a little bit faster and up on the toes with the heels off the floor. And don't forget to turn out those feet, whether they're in this position here or you have them crossed. Starting to our left and starting with a cut with that right foot. 5, 6, ready, and cut. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, face your audience, and other way, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, now to the right, cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, set, 2, 3, set, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, set, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, set, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do a little switch for your ending, switch the feet, point the right foot in front, and you can do a little bow. Now if you want to add a little extra to your ending, you can do your Céilí swing around or push turn. So we just ended going to our left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You bring the left foot forward and you do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then then stop, point the foot, take your little bow, and up. Now let's try that with some music. 5, 6, ready, and now we have our jig choreography, and for this, because our name of course is Céilí Nua, I thought I should throw in a little bit of some Céilí dancing in it. We're going to add a little bit of the haymaker's jig to this dance, so we're going to start off with our right foot pointed front. We're going to do a cut, and we're going to go 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back 2, 3, back 2, 3. Really slow, you do cut 4, 2, 3, kick 4, 2, 3. Now we're going back, kick back 2, 3, kick back 2, 3. That part repeats again. Cut forward 2, 3, kick forward 2, 3, kick back 2, 3, kick back 2, 3. Now we have our finishing step in the jig where you go hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4. To finish that off, you're going to do a kick and then go forward, kick forward 2, 3, forward 2, 3, kick back 2, 3, back 2, 3. So that's our little steps there from haymaker's jig in the Céilí dancing. Now we're going to do our next step where we have 1, 2, and 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 4, 2, 3. Do a cut with your right foot, cut, and then go to your right with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our little finishing step here with hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we repeat that on the left side. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Cutting now with the left foot, cut 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try that one more time. This is the second half of the dance here. You have 1, 2, and 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, and 4, 2, 3. Cut with the right foot, cut, go to the right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4. Left leg now comes in front. 1, 2, and 4, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 4, 2, 3. Cut now with the left, and then go to your left. Cut 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's add in all the hops to that from the very beginning. Starting going forward and back. You're going to do your cut with cut 4, 2, 3, kick 4, 2, 3, kick back 2, 3, kick back 2, 3, cut 4, 2, 3, cut 4, 2, 3, and back 2, 3, kick back 2, 3. Next part, hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, hop back, hop 1, 2, 3, 4, kick 4, 2, 3, kick 4, 2, 3, kick back 2, 3, kick back 2, 3. Second half of the dance. We have right leg, we have 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, and 2, 2, 2, 3. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, hop back, hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Right, 2, 1, 2, 3. Left, cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop, hop back, hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. For some of the steps, I'm going to show you what it looks like from the side really quick. When you have your cut forward and then travel forward, you have cut, forward, 2, 3, kick, forward, 2, 3. And really try to kick butt as you're doing it, and then back, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3. Another step, what it looks like from the side really quick, is your little finishing step where we go hop, hop back, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, hop back, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4. Try and bring that foot right above the knee here. Try not to have that turnout, but just straight forward. And if you want a nice little finish to your dance, we end with our left foot in front. We do our little switch, point, and our little bow for the end. Now let's do the dance from beginning to end without stopping and me counting it out as we do it. Starting with the right foot in front. 5, 6, ready, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, hop, hop back, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4, hop, hop back, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, back, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hop, hop back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 2, 3, cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hop, hop back, hop, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, point, and bow. Now let's try it with some music. 5, 6, ready, and thank you everyone so much for joining us for our 7-day countdown to St. Patrick's Day. This is our last video of our instructional videos, but tomorrow we have a special video coming out with us performing for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much again, and bye-bye for now. Grandma.